Hey guys, welcome back. We are now live on Euro USD, and as you can see, I've already drawn some key trend line and resistance, which was earlier resistance and now is acting as support. So let's just wait for the right opportunity, and then I'll take a trade, and then I'll explain you the setup of why I took the trade with detailed explanation. Hey guys, as you can see, I've just taken a quick 1 minute trade over here, and the reason I did that is because you can see the market hit the strong trend level over here, and I believe that the market is moving in a downtrend for a while now and needs some kind of retracement, and I'm sure we can find some good support from here for the market to move in the upward direction for some time. So let's just wait for the trade, and then I'll explain you the setup. And guys, we have won the trade with a clear margin, and usually I take the trade below the trend line or resistance line, above the resistance line. So this time I took it because I was pretty much sure that this is a very strong trend support line. Wait, let me just show you on the 5 minute chart so you can see. So the market went up and touched over here, took support back from here, moved up again, took support here again. So this is a confirmed trend line, and as soon as the market hit this level, you can see the movement in the candlestick over here. Guys, I've taken a 5 minute down trade here, sorry, 1 minute down trade here, and the reason I did that, you can see this was a retracement phase. The trend was broken here, and that's the reason I've taken a 1 minute down trade from here. So let's just see how it ends, and then I'll explain you the setup of this 1 minute trade. And we have won this trade, guys. So the setup is very simple, guys. Um, Let me just explain you on the 1 minute chart so that you can see. Like I said previously, after the 5 minute trade, that the market has changed its structure and is starting to move in the downward direction. A downtrend is going to be formed. So you can see a higher high, sorry, a high, a low, a lower high, and then the market will now continue to move in the downward direction until it forms a lower low, and then again it's going to retrace back to this very level and take support. So this was the retracement phase of our first starting of our downtrend. So as soon as the market broke this structure, I was sure that the market will continue falling downwards because the retracement was over, and now it has to move to form a new lower low. So that's the reason I took a 1 minute trade from this very level, and I did not wait for the retest because I know this was a clear breakout. So that's the reason I entered my trade very moment the market broke the structure. And this was also, if you can see, this is like a head and shoulder pattern, and when the market broke these two levels equally, I knew for sure that the market will move in the downward direction. However, we knew that there was support here, but this support will be very soon broken. Let's just wait. I'll just show you that this support will be broken over here. So guys, as you can see, the market broke the structure and is currently moving in the downward direction to form a lower low. The market will go hit this level and take a little bit of support, and then will continue moving in onward direction until it finds the next support level. So the trend is confirmed, the downtrend is confirmed. So anyways, I'm done for the day. Our total 3 trades for the day has been done. We ended up with 2 profit and 1 loss. However, we are still in the overall, we are in a negative. Uh, we are in a loss of around 22 rupees for the day. That's fine. So loss and profits are very common in trading. One of the best uh, advice you could say that I have ever received is to learn to book a loss. The one of the most important factor in trading is to learn how to book a loss. If we can do that, yes, we can become a successful trader. If we cannot cope up or handle our losses, that's when we start revenge trading, and we cannot go against the market and win every single time. So we need to respect the market and take some losses. So that is it for the today's session, guys. Thank you for hanging around for so long. I wish you all a good day and a goodbye.